Southwest 511, connect all departures to you.
Oh, departure Southwest 511, good day.
That is Southwest 511.
Scout 4750, Seattle Tower, runway 16 right, clear line.
We are not monitoring the departure frequencies. What? It is.
Bravo, so ground, proceed to cargo 5 via Alpha and contact rail.
Alpha 198 heavy, wind 17013, gusts 19, running 16 off, clear to land, plane roll down to Papa.
I can't scope and play word with you at the same time.
It's all right. I can wait. Okay? You're a very busy guy.
Horizon 267 on November, cross runway 16 center, hold short, runway 16 left. Fast 16 center, hold short, 16 left on November, Horizon 267. Horizon 267, correction 267, I'm on tower 19.9. 19.9, have a good one. Scout 4557, connect all departure. Departure Scout 4557.
That was SkyWest 4557.
Target 1467, Seattle alternative 16 off the line, if away chapel cross. Wind 16 left American 1467.
Quite a few departures lined up to go at this time.
Yeah, because
Delta
weather's
198 heavy, left
decent.
turn Papa, then kind of ground 0.7. Left Papa 0.7 Delta 198 heavy. Roger 719 behind the heavy Delta rolling out on November, crossroad 16 left, then kind of ground 0.7, distract in position. Left, 16 right. Left, right side land. On November, crossroad 16 left, safe parking. Cross 16 left, November going to Q1, right, 267. 267 for Bravo, taxi your gate, contact ramp on 126.87, skip ground. Right, 267. Delta 198 heavy, exit at back at taxi spot 99 now. Go straight to ramp 122.27. 719, we're on November here, parked in November 11. 719, Seattle ground 55 via Bravo, contact ramp 126.87. Good 719.
Thank you. So far, so good.
Target 1467, wind 18015, gusts 19, running 16 off, clear for takeoff. Ground boarding line for 06 is 1666 off the orange line with the company and 16 left via Bravo. 6 left via Bravo behind. Ground horizon 180, Quebec 13, 16 center, hold short of 16 left.
Interesting how I couldn't get on while you were logged on.
Monitor tower 119.9.
Very interesting.
Gust 4813, wind 18015, gust 19, reporting 16 left, clear for takeoff. Oscar 794, Seattle, turning 16 off, line of way. Seattle ground 422. Oscar 422, Seattle ground, follow the dash 8, runway 16 left via Bravo. C7, connect all departure. 6 left 5, Bravo, 422. Gust 4505 in front of Bravo 9, taxi with India. 4505, Seattle ground, left turn, runway 16 left via Bravo. Left turn out of here, 16 left via Bravo, 2.
left via Bravo. 219 left on November, cross runway 16 center, hold short around spot. November, clear cross 16 center, hold short 16 left around 219. Cross 16 left at profit going to Bravo 4. 2750 Seattle ground, taxi spot 88 via Bravo, contact the ramp 122.27. 88 via Bravo and contact ramp
94, 18014, guys 19, running 16 left, clear for takeoff.
374 Seattle ground, runway 16 left via Bravo.
76 Seattle, turning 16 left, line of away.
He said wind 180 at 14, gusts 19,
Alaska coming out of the ramp spot 66.
runways 16 and use that SeaTac.
Back around Alaska 684 to 55, ready to taxi.
Alaska 684 Seattle ground, follow company, the one that you see just pulling out there at your 11 o'clock. Follow them 16 left via Bravo.
16 left via Bravo behind company Alaska 684.
Skyrise 4505 for en route spacing. Follow the blue Disney Alaska you see coming out of 55.
The blue Disney Alaska.
Guys, at 376, leaving 1,500, fly heading 140, wind 18015, gust 19, running 16 left, clear for takeoff. 140, correct to 337, left on November, cross runway 16 center, hold short, runway 16 left.
Left on November, cross 16 center, hold short 16 left, 337.
Hello, Russia. Russia's in the house.
The 1343-8 ahead is going to be an early eastbound turn, wind 18015, gust 19, running 16 left, clear for takeoff. 7 under, tower 19.9.
Got a bug spot on the windshield. Any window washers in the audience, please report.
93 Seattle Tower, runway 16 right, clear land.
A -8 on takeoff. My name is Pete. Peter for short.
Wind 18014, gust 19, running 16 left, clear for takeoff. 2.5 miles. Alaska 38, Seattle, turning 16 left, line point. 16 left, line up and away, Alaska 38. Delta 1343, kind of phone departure state. Departure, Delta 1343, good.
That is Delta 1343.
Horizon 26, turn left on November, cross runway 16 center, hold short runway 16 left. Left November, cross runway 16 center, hold short 16 left, right.
Vanya, hello, how are you? This is Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Seattle is a seaport on the west coast of the United States, on the Pacific coast.
26 monitor tower 19.9. Alaska 38, wind 18014, running 16 left, clear for takeoff. United 1867, Seattle, turning 16 left, line of away, traffic will cross. Line of away, 16 left, United 1867. Alaska 204, kind of phone departure, stay flight. Alaska 204, here.
That was Alaska 204. Doing good. Doing good. Doing good on the 12th floor of the hotel.
Seattle Tower, good 606 with your runway 16 right. So 606 Seattle Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land. Clear to land, runway 16 right, triple 606. Tower, November, cross for 16 left, stay parking.
November 3rd, cross 16 left, we're going to spot 13 here and 219.
That's 219, taxi gate to Bravo, skip ground, go straight to ramp, 126.87, traffic in position. Jazz 93, left on November.
Go straight to ramp, road, 219.
That's 337, Seattle Tower, November, cross for 16 left, stay parking.
November, cross 16 left, and we're going to spot 4.
337, taxi gate to Bravo, contact ramp, 126.87, traffic in position.
32 Bravo and over to ramp, and we're actually going to 3 price and entry to the
Roger.
taxi off Quebec gate.
Good, Oscar 38. In correction, Horizon 27 on November, cross for 16 left, stay parking. Short run, 6 left. 26 cross, 16 left November, keep 15. As in 26, thank you, taxi gate to Bravo, contact ramp on 126.87, there's traffic in position. Alright, cross 16 left in November, and over to ramp, Horizon 26.
In the background, you are hearing a Uniden radio scanner, which is tuned to the Seattle Tower frequencies, Seattle Airport Tower frequencies, and the Seattle Airport ground frequencies. You will hear that in the background as we scope departures and movements at SeaTac Airport.
To our left, and we'll tax 16 left via Bravo, Horizon 273.
Line of plane.
Aircraft just landed.
Check. Wind 190.14.
Wind is 190 at 14 degrees. 190 degrees at 14 knots per hour.
49, thanks. Monitor tower 119.9.
Alaska Jet on departure. No, actually that's probably the United Jet that we saw taxi by a few minutes ago.
Alaska 306, wind 190.13, reporting 16 left, clear for takeoff. 180 Seattle, turning 16 left, line of away.
Alaska 303 will be the next to take off.
1867, kind of saw departure. Rise 180, leave 1,500, fly heading 140, wind 190.13, running 16 left, clear for takeoff. Alaska 422, Seattle, turning 16 left, line of plane.
This is Alaska 303 on takeoff.
Alaska 306, kind of saw departure.
306, my mistake.
Seattle ground, 754 Uniform Alpha, we're on Whiskey, heading for the United Maintenance Facility. United Maintenance 754, continue straight ahead. Once you get back on Alpha, contact the ramp again, 126.87. Have a good day. Alpha cross, 1600, hold short, 16 left. 754 Uniform Alpha, 16 left.
Ending broadcast. We'll be back a little bit later.